Hey, I'm Chris, and this is your product spotlight and housing update for the week of August 4, 2023. A departing residence is an owned home that the owner is going to move out of, typically after purchasing a new home. Remember when everyone got a rate below 3% and now these people aren't moving? Well, they can keep their rate and their home, generate passive wealth, and still buy a new home. In short, keeping and profiting on your home is financially smart business, and it's happening every day. Our clients deserve this knowledge, which brings us more business, helps the economy, and most importantly, brings future wealth to those that might not otherwise have it. I complete pre-approval same and or next day, and as a reminder, brokers like me have lower rates, more investors, more products, and better terms across the board. I'm happy to share more about that and or substantiate why it's true. Reach back when you can. The base mortgage rate is 6.90%, an increase of 0.09% from last week. Of course, base refers to the available starting rate before borrower-specific pricing adjustments are applied. Base mortgage rates jumped this week to nearly 7%. The move follows last week's rate hike by the Fed, and more importantly, the credit downgrade as the GSEs were downgraded by Fitch Ratings from the top-ranked AAA to AA+. For reference, a ding in the U.S. credit rating means that Fitch thinks it's more likely that the U.S. will default on debt than previously. But it's highly doubtful. Pretty interesting information if you take the time to really think about it. A typical U.S. first-time homebuyer must earn $64,500 a year to afford a starter home. In contrast, though, a homebuyer in San Francisco must earn $241,200 to afford a typical starter home. Oh boy, wages have just risen 20% since the pandemic, but it's just not enough to make up for the jump in mortgage payments and higher home prices. To compound matters, rents remain elevated, applying more pressure on already challenged first-time buyers. A July survey of longtime industry pros showed that lending, commercial, home, and vehicle, is tighter across the board, further confirming the recession that I believe has been here for a while now. 5,000 CVS layoffs and 30,000 yellow trucking layoffs also confirm this, in my opinion. Well, that's it for now. So have a great day and a great weekend.